We'd be organizing the refrigerator. Where should those carrots go? Oh, oh no. Don't tell Daddy about that. Oh no. Good idea. I was right. Ooh, look at all of those. Are you gonna make a salad? I don't think that's... I'm gonna put that soda back. Oh. Shaking. Not a big deal. Get them all in there. Close it. The ketchup back. Good job. Put the soda back. Good job. Now you close it. I think you have to close the drawer first. Close the drawer. Coke's mommy's favorite. Oh, that can't be good. Hopefully that's too heavy. Yes, too heavy. Oh no, this could be bad. Is that funny? You wanna close the door? Let's close it. You gonna open it again? No.